Sir Isaac Newton was known for as one of the inventors of calculus, and calculus is using math to study change. And so here's a series of numbers, and this was a problem that he may have posed. So if you were to add a half, or 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4, etc., all the way up to 1 over 99 times 100, what would the sum of these things be? Now, you know when you add fractions, you have to have a common denominator. And if you were having to find the common denominator of these things, it would be a nightmare. So here the first fraction would be 1 over 2, which is a half. And so the first term, okay, in this series, the answer would be a half. And then the second two add-ins would be 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3, and that would be a half plus a sixth. So a half is 3/6 plus a sixth is 1/6, which would give us a total of 4/6, which of course reduces to 2/3. So the second term, the sum of the second two terms is equal to 2/3. And then the next one, so we've got a half plus a sixth plus a twelfth. So the common denominator here, of course, is 12. And if I were to make these into equal fractions, this will be 6/12. Here we would have 2/12. Here we would have 1/12. 6, 2, and 1, of course, make 9. And 9/12 reduces to 3/4. So what I need for you to look at is to look at the add-ins, and especially their denominators, the way they're broken down into these factors, and then look at what our final answer is. So using the table here, we're going to look here, and we get there. I want you to look here, and you get here, and then finally here, and get here. So what would be the fraction for the next term, which would be 1 over 1 times 2, 1 over 2 times 3, 1 over 3 times 4, plus 1 over 4 times 5. Pause the video. And your answer now would be 4/5. So what would you be doing to figure out what these fractions are without having to actually go ahead and do the computation that you needed?